Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Haruka. Good morning, Baikal. Good morning, Poon. Can you hear me, guys? Yeah? Okay. Could you say something so I can check? Maybe maybe my headset not working, huh?
I can hear you.
Okay, okay. I can hear you, Poon. Okay, good. All right. Good morning, everyone. So let's check who's online, who's absent. Pepe, Grace, Poon. Oh, okay. Oday.
Present.
Okay. Satang. Firm. Baikal.
Present.
Haruka.
Present.
Okay, Haruka. Alice. Alice is not here. All right, guys. So let me share my screen and I will explain you what we're going to do today. Can you see my screen now? Yes? Okay, good. Our wonderful world. You remember last time we discussed with you about geographical features. So I would like you now to tell me what geographical features do you remember? Oday, let's start. Could you tell me geographical features? You know what's geographical features? What is that? Actually, that is our landscape. So when we look at our Earth from the top, what can we see? What can we see on our Earth, on our planet? That is called geographical features. Could you tell me, if you will look from the top to our Earth, what can you see?
See 7 content.
Okay, continents, you can see continents, but what is on the continents?
Continent.
What can you see like a landscape? The landscape. Like geographical features. What do you remember? What we discussed last time? I know we talked about continents, about oceans, yes, but after that, like geographical features. Okay, guys. Can you help? Poon, Baikal, Haruka, what geographical features do you remember? Landscape. That's a hint for you. Landscape. No, you don't remember. No. Okay. Well, let me show you some photos. Okay. Let me show you some photos, and you will tell me what is that. Oday, you are number one. You are the first one. What do you think? What is this landscape?
Lake.
You can see a lake, but how do we call this line? Line between the land and the lake, or between the sea. This kind of line, okay, this one. It has a grass, it has beaches. How do we call that? It has rocks. How do we call this part? Do you remember, guys? No? This line, which is joining to the sea. Okay, let me show you the answer. What is that? That is a coast. Okay. So the first geographical feature is a coast. Okay. All right. I think this one is easy one. Ode, what is that? What can you see?
We see a mountain.
Mountains, right? So next one, actually all the things is called landscape, right? Landscape. So what is on our land? So we can see the coast, we can see mountains, right? All right. Next one, what is that? Guys, go ahead. What is this?
Forest.
Forest. Yes, you are right. That is a forest. Good. It's some kind of like a tropical forest. How do we call, by the way, tropical forest? How do we call the forest which is in tropics? Tropical forest. Huh? Any idea? It's a combination of two words. It's a combination of two words. One word is the water falling from the sky to the ground. And second word is forest. How do we call the water which is falling from the sky to the ground? Huh? Poon, go ahead. It's your turn. How do we call that?
I'm not sure, but I think rainforest.
Perfect. That is called rainforest. Okay. So just keep in your mind when we talk about like forest in Thailand, right? They are called rainforest because in the weather, because of the weather, because of the land structure. Okay. So there are lots of rains here, and it's not like forest in Europe. Okay, it's totally different. Okay, and it's called rainforest. All right. Next, geographical feature. What is that, guys? What can you see? Haruka, go ahead.
A lake.
No, that's not a lake. Look. You see the stream? You see the stream?
A river.
Yes, that is a river. And it's very narrow. You see, it's narrow. It cannot be lake. Okay, that is a river. It has a stream. Okay, the river. All right. What is next? I know this one is difficult one, but I will explain you. Maybe you know, how do we call that place between two mountains? The white place, okay, the large place between two mountains. In the mountains, huh? Do you know how to call this place? This one or inside there? Okay, let's look at it. What is that? How do you pronounce this one? Baikal, how do you pronounce this word?
Valley.
Valley. Yes, that is called the valley. All right. So the place between two mountains. Okay. That is called valley. Yeah. All right. I'm sure this one you can handle. Let me ask Grace. Go ahead. Grace, I think you like to travel to this kind of places, huh? How do we call this place?
Island.
Island. You're right. That is called island. Good job. Maybe some of you want to say like, oh, teacher, this is a mount. Yes, okay, this can be also a mount, but mount or some piece of land surrounded by water is called island. Okay. Next, guys. Oday, go ahead. What is this?
Desert.
Desert. Yeah, that is desert. Okay. What about this one? Okay, guys. Haruka.
Waterfalls.
Waterfall. You are right. This is waterfall. Okay. What about this one? Oday, what do you think?
It's volcano.
Volcano. Let's say volcano.
Volcano.
No, not volcano, but you have to make another stress. Volcano. Volcano.
Volcano.
No, volcano.
Volcano.
You still pronounce like volcano. Volcano. But I want you to move stress, okay? Move stress little bit, okay? And put stress on a volcano.
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 Say cano. Say cano.
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 Okay, just say no. No.
No.
Ano.
Ano.
Cano.
Cano.
Volcano.
Volcano.
All right, it's better now. Volcano.
Volcano.
Okay, okay. All right. So, and how do we call the process? The process here, look, what's happening? The lava going out. How do we call this kind of a process? Guys? Baikal, what about you? Do you know? This red one, the explosion, how do we call it? Any idea? Who knows? Poon. Grace. Poon, do you know?
Lava.
Yeah, lava is a red color. Yes, lava. But the explosion, the process of explosion, how do we call this?
Magma.
No, that is called eruption. Eruption. The process when it's like explodes, like boom, that is called eruption. Volcano eruption. Okay? It's beautiful words like volcano eruption. Let's say volcano eruption. Yeah. Okay, good. What about this one? What about this geographical feature? Look, it's some water surrounded by land. Water surrounded by land. This we can find in mountains, right? How do we call this? How do we call this geographical feature? Baikal, what about you? What do you think?
Lake.
Lake, you are right. Lake, it's water surrounded by nature. Sorry, by nature, by mountains, okay? Or by land. Okay, good job. So now, could you please tell me what geographical features, or we can say what kind of landscape do you remember now? Let's name. I want you to tell me 10. Go ahead. Number one, what was that? Number one. When we have land and water joining together, how do we call this?
Coast.
Coast, number one. Number two. Or maybe you want me to go back and show you photos, right? Again? Okay, let's go. So as we say, first is coast. Number 2, let's go. Huh? Could you on your microphones, guys, because I can't hear you.
Mountain.
Mountains. Okay. Number 3.
Forest.
Forest. Okay. Number 4.
River.
River. Good. Number 5.
Valley.
Oday, what you want to say something? Yes.
Valley.
Valley. Yes, you are right. It's a place, it's a flat place between the mountains. Okay. Next one. Guys, go ahead. Island. Good. What I would like to tell you, there is letter S here inside, right? But we do not pronounce. We just say island. Someone say Iceland. When you say Iceland, there is a country. You know, there is a country which is called Iceland, and it's totally different. Okay, it's near Norway. There is an Iceland near Norway. Okay, go ahead.
Desert.
Desert. Yes, desert. Kun.
Waterfall.
Waterfall. Okay. Oday.
Volcano.
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 Okay, volcano. Good. This one. Okay, what about this? The water surrounded by land.
Lake.
Lake. Yes. Okay, good job, guys. Good job. So now you know geographical features, or you know different kinds of landscape, right? So now, could you answer my questions? Do you know any famous desert? Baikal. Famous desert. Baikal, go ahead. Do you know any famous desert?
Sahara Desert.
Good, Sahara Desert. Yes. Where is it? Where is Sahara Desert? Huh? Which part of the world, Sahara Desert?
I think Egypt.
Yes, it's in Africa. You're right. Sahara Desert in Africa. Egypt. Do you know what the weather is like in desert? Baikal, what do you think?
Hot.
I think, could you make full sentence?
I think it's very hot.
It's very hot. How hot is that? How hot? You know, there is another expression, like to say very hot. We can say boiling. Like, you know, when we boil something, we can say boiling hot. It's boiling hot. It means very, very hot. Yeah. Okay, what do you think? How many degrees? How many degrees Celsius? The temperature over there, approximately. What do you think?
I think 45.
45 degrees Celsius. Okay, yeah, maybe even more, up to 60, I think. Okay. Do you know any famous waterfall? Haruka, do you know any famous waterfall?
Yes.
Which one?
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls. Okay. Where is that? Where is that place? Niagara Falls.
Canada.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you're right. It's in Canada, but it has two countries. Okay. It's in the border of two countries. Which one? One is Canada and second is
America.
the USA. You can say the USA. Yeah. All right.
USA.
Canada and the USA. Good. Good job. Okay. Is there a famous waterfall in your country? Poon. Uh-huh. Which one? What is called and where is it?
I think Erewhon Waterfall.
Arwan Waterfall. And where is it?
I don't know.
It's just 2 hours away from Bangkok. 2 hours away. It's Kanchanaburi province. Kanchanaburi province. Okay. There is also Erawan National Park. Yes. Okay. Okay, good. Good. Guys, do you know any famous lake? Do you know any famous lake? Let me ask Grace. Grace, what about you? Do you know any famous lake? Okay, what is the deepest lake in the world? Could you tell me? The deepest. It has fresh water. It's a freshwater lake. It's its deepest lake in the world. Any idea? That is called Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal, it's in Siberia. Actually, Siberia, it's in Russia. It's on the territory of Russia. And this lake is amazing. You can see on the picture, here it is, the right corner, okay, down. That is Lake Baikal, and water is a freshwater lake. Okay, so I have one small entertainment, but I would like you to share your feelings now, okay? Listen to the music. In which of the places are you? What are you doing? How are you feeling? And what can you see and smell? What you have to do, you just need to listen to this music, all right? And then share your feelings, okay? Here we are, let's go.
Exercise 2, page 58.
Okay, wanna listen one more time? Do you like this kind of music, guys? Is good or not? Huh? What? Tell me first. Is it good or not? Do you like this or not? Poon, okay, tell me. Do you like this kind of music?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, Baika, what about you? Do you like this kind of music? Is it pleasant music or it's like some kind of destructive? What? Do you like this kind of music?
Yes.
Yes, or maybe you don't know yet. Okay, let's listen it, and then tell me, guys, what are your feelings? Okay, maybe you have in mind some kind of places where you are. Maybe you have some feelings. Maybe you can smell something or you can see something. Okay, it's like in your imagination. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, let me ask Baika. Oh, sorry, not Baika. Poon. Poon, tell me please, what do you have any feelings or like any kind of imagination? You can see something or smell, or maybe you have some picture in your mind when you listen this kind of music.
Um, I think I'm thinking about Pink Panther. Do you know Pink Panther?
Black Panther, Pink Panther. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Pink
Pink
Panther.
Panther. Okay. All right. Any other? But when we it's if we talk about some place of the world, like in the world, any idea what this can be? Any what kind of country? Hmm? What country? No. Okay. Ode, what about you? What do you feel? What can you say? Actually, do you like this kind of music or not?
Yes, I like.
Yeah, you like it, right? So how are your feelings?
I feel
You know, someone says like, when I listen to this music, I want to dance, you know? It's like you know, it's like suddenly the body wants to dance, like, you know. Huh? So what about you? How are your feelings? Hmm? Okay, let's listen it again, and then I will ask your opinion. Okay, let's listen it again. Mm-hmm. Okay, now tell me, would you like to shake your body a bit? No? Huh? No? Not at all? Uh-huh. Then what are your feelings? Because look, when I when for example I listen to Thai music, right? This music is very smooth, like, you know, I can imagine some like Thai dancers moving hands and so on, right? But when you listen this kind of music, what is like in your imagination, like what kind of dance this can be, or maybe country, or maybe you've seen some pictures before, huh? Any idea? No? Okay, let me ask Grace. Grace, what about you?
I think about people dancing in the Iceland.
It should be somewhere in Ireland, right?
Yes.
Okay. You're almost right. You're actually, you are right. It's somewhere on an island. Any idea what kind of island is there?
Hawaii.
Hawaii? Maybe. I don't. What about other guys? Thank you, Grace. What about Haruka? Baikal, what is your feelings? Haruka has no feelings. Okay. Okay. Well, Baikal, what about you? Okay, let me show you let me show you one picture, okay? But it's group of pictures, and you can tell me, are these pictures matching to the sound, to that music or not, okay? Let's listen it. What do you think? Is it matching or not? It's a clear water, lots of sun. We can say like blue water, beautiful architecture, white and blue, and olives, olive trees, and so on. What do you think? Is it matching or not? Yes? Oh, Poon, could you tell me your feelings?
When I hear this song, I think I'm feeling fresh.
You're feeling
Yeah.
fresh, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
there is some kind of energy in this music, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you are right. But do you know what is this country? No? Ode, do you know? Grace, anyone? No? Do you know this flag? Okay, that is Greece. Greece, you know? That is Greece. And this music is more like Greece music. It's very beautiful. All right, good guys, good. I hope you enjoyed, right? At least you can think, you can feel something new. All right, let's go. We have we have a bit time now. We have one topic, that is topic about the Lake Baikal and Niagara Falls. Okay, so first of all, I would like to show you some photos. Okay, that is Lake Baikal. That is the deepest lake in the world. Any idea what is deep? How deep this lake? How many meters? How deep this lake? Any idea? Baikal, what do you think? Approximately. Maybe you can guess. Haruka.
Teacher,
Yeah?
Baikal told me she go to toilet.
Okay. No problem. That's more than 1,600 meters. The depth of this lake is more than 1,600 meters. And it freezes in the winter. And the water is so clear. The ice, it's like it's a blue ice, because so you can see through that ice, because that is freshwater lake. Okay, and it's called Baikal Lake. And second place is Niagara Falls. Okay, so as we said, the part of this Niagara Falls is in Canada, and second part is in US. Okay, as you can see this line, I think so, this is the border, you see, this is the line. So there's like Canada, and this is the US border. Okay, so, and it looks like a horseshoe. So that's why it's called like Niagara Falls. It's called like part in Canada, it's called like horseshoe. Okay, so let's listen and let's answer some questions. Just a moment. Here we are. Here we go.
Across Cultures, 5E. Exercise 1, page 64.
Natural wonders of the world. The world is full of beautiful and amazing things. The most amazing wonders of the world are the ones that we can find in nature. Lake Baikal is in the east part of Siberia. It is the deepest lake in the world. Lake Baikal is also the oldest and largest freshwater lake in the world. It contains 1/5 of the world's fresh water. The name Baikal comes from the Mongolian language and means nature. The water in Lake Baikal is very clear, and you can see to a depth of 40 meters. A lot of animals and plants live by the lake. They only exist in this part of the world. Niagara Falls is one of North America's most famous sites. It lies between the US and Canada. The largest part of the falls is Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side. Niagara Falls is the second largest falls in the world after Victoria Falls in Africa. In 1901, a brave tourist, Annie Taylor, was the first to cross the Niagara Falls. The falls is the largest producer of electric power in the world.
Okay, let's answer some questions. Question number 1. Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in Siberia. Is it, so what do you have to do? You have to say true, false, or doesn't say, okay? True, false, or doesn't say. The Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in Siberia. What do you think, guys? Haruka, what's your answer?
It is
True,
false.
true, false, or doesn't say?
False.
False. Okay. So what is the deepest lake in Siberia then? Okay, Haruka, let's read.
Lake Baikal is in the east part of Siberia. It is the deepest lake in the world.
All right. So look, if it says that it is the deepest lake in the world, it means it's also the deepest lake in Siberia as well, because Siberia is a small part, right, of all over the world, right, of all the world. So could you answer now? Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in Siberia. Is it true or false? Who doesn't say?
True.
It's true. It's true. It's not only in Siberia, but it's also the deepest lake in the world. Okay. Question number 2. Baikal means fresh water. Baikal means fresh water. Grace, try. Baikal means fresh water.
False.
True, false, or doesn't say? Why it's false?
Because Baikal means nature.
Nature, you are right. Because Baikal comes from the Mongolian language and means nature. Good job. Good job. Guys, I'm very sorry. We are out of time, can be disconnected any moment. What I would like to tell you, this will be your homework, okay? Could you write down in front of each sentence, true, false, or doesn't say, okay? Read it carefully again and send to me your homework. So I would like to thank you. This was a great lesson. Thanks a lot, guys. And have a nice day, everyone. So see you guys. Bye-bye. Bye.